Real estate investing strategies for beginners. Are you new to real estate? Do you want to learn the ropes to get you started on your journey? The good news is that most real estate investors have already chosen and reviewed the best real estate investing tips for beginners. Developing your own strategy. Now let's get one thing straight. It is extremely difficult to decide the right strategy for you without reading the entire short introductions first. If you don't want to spend time on researching and implementing a strategy, here are some tips that you can use to start. It will help to know your property before you purchase it. This is the most important tip for every person who wants to be successful in real estate investing. Investing in a property without knowing what you're buying is like playing a game of roulette. One day you might hit your big winning streak and then the next day you might lose all of your money. You need to invest in properties based on a thorough research on its market conditions before investing. Another great tip for those new to buying property is to go to the place where you will be investing and have an idea of how much you can afford to purchase a property for. Keep in mind that you can buy any kind of property, but you must know the amount you can afford. If you feel it's impossible for you to purchase a property, you need to rethink your strategies. Remember, you won't be able to make any money with real estate if you have too high expectations. When you are choosing the location of your real estate investing, you also have to consider the amount of space you need. When investing, space plays an important role. If you plan to have several tenants, then you have to get a lot of space. On the other hand, if you only plan to have one tenant, then you can easily get by with a small property. There are many websites online that offer you real estate tips for investing. You can easily get information from these websites. However, you have to consider certain things before you spend your valuable time on the internet. The most important thing that you should take note is that the internet is not the best place to research about real estate. You must ask the experts and real estate investors for their opinions and knowledge and guidance. Remember, no one else can help you out with all your real estate investing problems except you. Investing have never been easy, so always do your homework and prepare yourself. Remember, you cannot fail when it comes to real estate investment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video for more about real estate.